Hi everyone, it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my new kits that I bought. I bought about 9 new kits. Well, they're not new, but they're unopened. 2 of them are very new and recent, but most of them actually very rare, and they were like made in beginning of 2000, maybe even in the 90s. I bought a lot of them on eBay, so they're rare and vintage cross stitch kits. So there are 9 kits that I'm going to show you, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you something very interesting from Stockholm, and you're going to like it, so stay tuned. Let me start showing you the kits from the newest ones to the oldest ones. And the first kit, this is a new kit, it's not old at all. This is a kit by Magic Needle, and this is called Weekend in Paris. They have like 2 of them. They have a weekend in Paris and a weekend in London. I preferred the Paris one more than the London one. And they're started to use more high quality products in their kits. This is what it looks like. This is stitched on like a dark blue navy 8 count. I think it's 14 count. Yes, it's 14 count. And they used Zweigart fabric and DMC floss. And there are 37 colors here. Weekend in Paris. And on the other side, back side, you see the chart here. And you can see the colors, the floss. So it's very beautiful. I got this on eBay. All of these kits that I'm going to be showing to you, I got them on eBay. Next one, this is by, well, if you read it in Russian, it's called Oven. Because the V, this is, in Russian, this is not B, this is V. And in Ukrainian and some other Slavic languages where they use the Cyrillic alphabet, not the Latin. So this would be a V, not a B. This is called Endless Summer. The beautiful flowers, and I've seen one cross-stitch blogger cross-stitch this, and it looks so much better than on the preview. It's very beautiful. The colors, I love them. It's a great kit to cross stitch in the summer. So this is 24 by 28 centimeters, not in inches, unfortunately. There are like 30 colors, and they don't say what kind of products they use. They just write that they use. The set includes color chart, canvas for embroidery, cotton 16 count, on cotton threads 30. Colors and a needle. And on the other side you don't see anything. It's just the fabric. It's like a petrol blue color, and there's a needle here as well. So very beautiful. So these ones are probably the most newest kits that I bought this time. And next kit, it's not very old, but it's not that new either. This is a kit by Dimensions, and this is like a girl. It's called Springtime, but for me, I don't think of spring when I see her. I think it's more of a summer kit for me, just because she's wearing so few clothes and there's so many flowers. So I think of more of summer. For me, I would call it summertime, not springtime. And this is 9 by 12 inches. This was made in China. This is usually when you have like this kind of organizer, then that means that it's made in China, but it's still good quality. It's 14 count, so like cream color ivory, and the colors here are very beautiful. I like the yellow one is very much. I think she's very beautiful, and I'm gonna cross stitch her someday. Next kit, this is a kit by Jen Lin, And I've seen this kit a lot before, and I didn't think much of it. But when I saw one cross-stitch blogger cross-stitch this, it was so beautiful. The pillow was so beautiful. This is cabbages, different kind of colored cabbages. And I was very impressed with the finished project. It looks much better than on the preview. This was from 2004. Size is 12 by 12 inches. And this designer here, I'm not sure if I pronounce her name correctly, Donna Vermilion Giampa, something like that. I'm probably butchering the name, sorry. But she has like very many different pillows with different fruits and vegetables, and they're hard to find. They're rare, and I like some of them. I like the pumpkin ones a lot, but some of them you can find in like old magazines, like Just Cross Stitch, for example. But I'm gonna start with, I haven't cross-stitched anything from this designer before, so I'm gonna start with this one, cross-stitch this pillow someday, and I see if I like it. I've seen she has also like a beautiful pillow with like grapes and other kind of vegetables and fruit. So I'm interested, I'm curious, but as I said before, they are hard to find, these kind of kits and charts by this designer. Oh yes, and I'm showing you the beautiful floss. There's beautiful colors. I like the greens a lot and the pinks. They're beautiful. Next kit. This is a kit from 2009 by Dimensions. These beautiful African women. I think they're called Yoruban beauties, and I love them. They're beautiful. I love the clothes, the color clothes, the beautiful jewelry that they have. I mean, they are just beautiful. They're awesome. And this is 10 by 14 by 17, no, 10 by 13 inches. And it's cross-stitched on black fabric. And the colors, look at the colors. The floss is just amazing. Look at the yellow, the purple, the blue. Beautiful. But it is hard to cross-stitch on dark fabrics. But I like it. I don't really like to cross-stitch on black fabric, but I like the way it looks when it's finished. And I want to show you another kit that I bought. This kit here. This kit. This was made in US. You can see that the floss is packaged in a different way. When it's packaged like this, with this kind of organizer, this is made in China, and this is made in US. But this was made in 2002. These African ladies are made in 2002, and these ladies are made in 2009. They're very similar, but I like both of them. I haven't decided which one I want to start with. Let me know in the comment section. Do you want me to start with the American kit or the Chinese kit? Because I like them both and I have a hard time deciding. I don't know. But they're beautiful. They're gorgeous. I love them. Next kit. This is a kit by Sunset. Beautiful, beautiful fish, like an aquarium. Also cross-stitched on a dark fabric, like navy, dark navy blue, with many different colors. And this is 16 by 8 inches. This was made in 1998. You can see the beautiful blue colors here, and the yellow ones are very beautiful as well. Love it. Next kit. Also kit by Dimensions. These are beautiful birds, and they have different nests and different bird houses, and all the birds are in different color. This is stitched by on 18 count ivory Aida fabric. This would be 18 by 14 inches. Called A Bird for All Seasons. Beautiful. And the floss. And you have the organizer here, card here as well. Next kit. This is a kit by Sunset. It's like a beach sampler or like a shore sampler. It's not my favorite color palette. I like the more colors that are more bright and that pop more. This is more like pastel, but I still like them. I like it. It's beautiful. Kits. This kind of kit goes. It sells a lot on. It's very popular. People want to get this kit on eBay. I don't know why it's so popular, but it's beautiful. I love it. And this is 14 by 11 inches. And this was made in 1995 by Dimensions. And here is the floss. 14 count ivory cream beige color. And the last kit. And this kit is the oldest kit that I've bought this time. Kit by Dimensions. Beautiful animals from all places around the world. And this is 14 by 12 inches. And there's a lot of back stitching here. And this one was made in 1991. And the beautiful floss. I love the green colors here. So this was it. I'm gonna get all the kits out so you can vote and tell me in the comment section what cross stitch kit you like the most and which one do you want me to start cross stitching as fast as possible. Here they are. And now I'm gonna show you like a video. We have in Sweden a National Sweden Day. We celebrate Sweden, like not Swedish birthday, but it's like a national day. We celebrate Sweden, and that will be the 6th of June. And on this day in Stockholm, they sometimes let like the old trams, that are like 100 years old or even more. They let them out into the public transport, and you can ride them and see how they look inside and outside. And my husband and I, we were waiting for that one. And you pay just a regular fee for, like, there's nothing special. You don't have to pay anything extra. It's like if you go and use the subway, it's the same price for use this old tram. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside and inside, and take you on a ride, and you'll see a little bit of Stockholm, what Stockholm looks like. So this tram is like 100 years old, if not more. So it's gonna be interesting. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe.